Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to create your own wet palette so your paints don't dry out so quickly. You also don't have to buy a wet palette. You can use what you have at home. For instance, I have a to-go container from a restaurant that's nice and sturdy. And what you do is you take a piece of parchment paper and you soak that for 15 minutes again, or wax paper, do the same, and you cut it the size of the bottom. So you just lay it flat, draw a circle, and cut it out so it fits perfectly. And then take an old rag or washcloth, again, do the same thing, get it wet, wring it out so it's not too wet, put it back in there. So you line the bottom with it, you put the top on there, you put your paints in here, and then you put the cover, and your paints are great. I've done this a number of times through the years, especially when I travel. It makes it really easy. If you currently don't have a wet palette, no problem. Whatever you put your paints on your palette, whether it's a styrofoam plate or just a piece of wax paper, make sure when you leave or you're not using the paint to just take some cellophane, and before you cover it, take a water spritzer and just spray it lightly, and then just cover it like that, and that keeps it nice and wet while you're painting. And there you have it, a couple simple tips to help keep your paint staying wet while you're creating beautiful art. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video and click on the notification button so you get more videos in the future. Happy painting!